Hello everyone, I am Dr. Meeta Aaron. I am a fertility specialist. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic which couples should know, because if they are trying for conception since very long time and they don't know what to do. So the question is when the couple should start a fertility treatment or investigating at least. So the first important thing you should know that if the female partner's age is less than 33 years of age and they are regularly trying for conception for 1 year and past 1 year, or if the age is more than 33 years of and they are regularly trying for past 6 months, then this is the time to investigate and they should visit a fertility specialist to do a basic fertility checkup. So now if this is the scenario, then I will tell you certain symptoms in the basic diseases which can affect fertility, and these symptoms you might be experiencing, so that you can have an idea that yes, I am having this symptom, so I should now do something and get treatment. So one by one I'll tell you certain diseases. Like first we'll go for female partners problems. First is PCOS. In PCOS, most of the time the female partner is having a major problem of menstrual irregularity. Usually she is having delayed periods, and sometimes the periods they come in 1 to 2 months, and in few females even the scenario is they are not having periods without medicine. So every time when they take medicines, then only the periods come. This is a very major symptom which you can assess and you can think of having a PCOS. So if you are having this symptom, definitely you should seek treatment. Then second problem which females usually nowadays are having, and this is a very common problem, because nowadays in normal scenario in the female's body, the egg reserve is good at the in between the age of 28 to 35, but after the age of 35 it reduces. Because of certain situations or environmental factors, this egg reserve is nowadays reducing in many of the females. So if this is the scene, then you might be having a very small symptom, like previously you were having a normal period flow for 3 to 4 days or 4 to 5 days, and nowadays you have reduced the flow from 3 to 5 days to 1 to 2 days. Typically the patients, they are coming to us with lower ovarian reserve. They are saying that madam, we are having only 1 to 2 days of bleeding during the periods. So if you are also having a symptom, then it might be a reason for low ovarian reserve. As well as this same symptom can be because of certain uterine infections also, which also results in subfertility. So these are the two important symptoms. Then the third symptom which a female can have is repeated vaginal infections. Either they can be having a prolonged symptom of white discharge per vaginally, or if they have been undergoing some repeated DNCs because of abortions. Then if a female had a previous history of tuberculosis in herself, or when they were young, if any of her family member had tuberculosis, then these things also might affect her fertility. So they should investigate, especially in these cases when we are looking for vaginal infections, tuberculosis. Then most of the times their fallopian tubes might be blocked, so they need to investigate definitely whether they are open or blocked, because that is very important thing to achieve pregnancy. Then from male point of view, the semen analysis should be done, because that is not having any symptoms. So if you are not conceiving in about 6 months to 1 year, then definitely male partner should do a semen analysis, because nowadays this is also coming very commonly, that the males are having low sperm count, low motility, morphology, because of many environmental factors also. So and another factor which reduces the sperm quality and number is smoking. If you are a smoker, you should stop smoking. And if you are very often using laptops and mobile, then you should reduce its usage. So these factors also affect the male fertility. So these are the factors which you can assess that you might be having some problem because of which you are not able to conceive. So just assess yourself and visit fertility specialists so that the cause should be known and you can achieve pregnancy. Thank you.